early this morning, taking Johnny up for build day for the big BattleBot robot. That's north of Durham. It's like a 90-minute drive. Thankfully, one of his teammates can bring them home this afternoon, so we don't have to go back up and repeat that trip later today, but we'll be out of here, trying to be out of here by 8:30. Hey Gray, good morning. Good morning, sweet pea. Hi. Hi, good girl. There's Morris. Don's down in the front yard watering his tree since we're still supposed to be so hot. Hi. Hi. Hi, Morris. Good morning. I got 20 minutes till leave time, so I gotta book along on the watering. Stripes around here somewhere. He slept inside all night. All right, we made it in the car by 8:35, but we're on time where we're going because it's a little less than 90 minutes on a Saturday morning. It's 58 miles and it says an hour and 8 minutes. So we're headed to Timberlake, North Carolina, which is just north of Durham. And FSD will definitely help us get there. We'll be getting on the turnpike to get to Durham, and then whatever else it tells us to do. Well, you guys know FSD out here on the turnpike. It's pretty uneventful. Maybe we'll have some interesting things when we get on the other side of Durham and we're doing the backcountry roads. But right now we're just kind of sipping coffee and letting the car do the heavy lifting. So we're on Roxborough Road now, and we're fixing to go past the River Park. That was a Lucid in the other lane there. And there was a sign back there that said they'd had some flooding. Yeah, I'm sure that's true.
It's closed because of flooding.
Okay. Yeah, it is. It's just as closed as can be to our left over there.
Well, we should be able to look out the bridge.
Right, we're fixing to go over the bridge, and we'll be able to see possibly that the River is pretty high.
Yeah, I don't know if you look to the right or to the left.
Yeah, probably can see. If I point the camera to the right, it's going to possibly be blocked by the sun, but I'll look right. It didn't look normal to me.
Yeah. Maybe it flooded and there's a lot of debris over all the
well,
ground.
even the silt and stuff on the trails and things might need some attention, but this is in the part of the state. We've come far enough northwest where Chantel basically parked over parts of North Carolina and dumped really excessive amounts of water. So
yeah, and this is, Marianne said numerous times, it's just gone north of us. The weather, all that went just north of us, even these afternoon thunderstorms.
Yeah.
And as we said last week, I think we said, the sunflowers in Raleigh are going to be a mud hole because they got so much rain in Raleigh.
Yeah.
And Durham was in the same boat.
Wow, look at the corn. That is corn that is really happy with how much rain it's had.
Yeah, and plenty of sunshine and plenty of rain.
Yeah, and we are zero intervention so far with 6.8 miles of country roads. So I won't call that a mountain, but there's a nice hill off in the distance.
Yeah,
we would call that a mountain here in the flat part of North Carolina, but yeah. Yeah. The car knows we're turning, so we've slowed down behind the bike. And don't let it do that. Well, there's the driveway. It can't do that. Dang it.
Is this the driveway?
Yeah.
Yes.
Zero intervention right down to the driveway. Dang.
And that's because it doesn't have the right.
Right, the driveway isn't on the map.
This might be the location, but it doesn't really know how to get to that spot. See, now we're driving in.
Yeah.
So that
no man's land, basically.
But that was officially, instead of a simple navigation error, that was a navigation error that led to an intervention. Because if you can't fault the car. This is a back roads country. This isn't a public driveway. I mean,
yeah, they're not. Their driveway is not on the map like ours is. Ours is a little better. Ours isn't great sometimes, but it's better than this driveway.
Yeah, well, when Elon gets that service area up big enough that because there's going to be places out around Austin that this same effect. You're not going to drop the person off out there at the highway. Their driveway is 900 feet long. They're going to want you to come up the driveway just like this.
Yeah. Well, the drive was zero intervention on the way back into the Harris Teeter parking lot. Don took control when he wanted to go in the entrance he wanted to go in.
Gotta get that chauffeur mode, Elon. Hurry up.
Yeah. I wanted to get porterhouse steaks, and they looked terrible in there today. They were barely porterhouse versus T-bone, and I want the tenderloin part, so... I mean, I eat the whole thing, but I'm not eating the whole thing without the tenderloin part. So I didn't get any steaks. First time, like, ever not being happy with the cut of beef that they had. I'll get something out of the freezer. Figure it out. This time of year, defrost and stuff, no problem, baby. And we're exercising on our way back home. We didn't go yesterday. The plan was to come today. We're here today. Oh boy.
Yeah, let's get it over with. I'm all ready for it.
There's a Cybertruck over there by the pink crepe myrtle. Hopefully you saw it. Maybe somebody near us got one, because we've seen one over here near South Park several times now. Well, the Tempest weather station at the house at 12:35 p.m. says 90 degrees, but feels like 103. I just got out for a second at South Park on the asphalt. It was pretty hot in the sun. Robot says it's 98. That's probably fairly accurate, because we drove the Pogo Loop and she had time to acclimate from having sat there for the hour we were in the gym. So we're not going back to pick up Johnny unless something happens, but we're not, his friend's going to bring him to our house, his friend that stays not too far from us most of the time, just not this morning. Anyway, I don't think we got super big plans at the house, and in this heat we sure won't be doing anything that involves being outside much. I had enough of that yesterday. I don't need any more of it today, and I did 2 hits at the gym this morning on the exercise bike.
Yeah, she did, man. The bike was smoking.
Yeah, I got up to 20 mile per hour for a short interval I hit one time, and I got into the 19 mile per hour the next time. So I really did crank it on up there. I'm cooking fresh bacon today, but it goes fast around here. And here's Don's breakfast, lunch, whatever it is.
Let's call it lunch.
Okay.
I'm gonna like it. Thank you, sweetheart.
You're welcome. I'll bring you a coffee in a minute. I started working on my building. I've got this center section here installed, and I just did a test fit of this part, the floor that I built. Yeah, like I said, I don't know why. There. I don't know why he liked this back corner to be the dark tan, but I went with exactly what he said to do. I'm stopping for today. I've got the bottom part done, and the roof part is next. I'm missing the window that goes here. I swear I have some of that rounded window here, and I just can't find where I put it. You can see that I've put that new piece on over here, minus the window treatments on this side. I got a few Lego pieces came today, but they were not the arches I needed for up here, so I couldn't finish that. This is the bowl of, where is it? This one, of parts waiting to go on that are just set aside that have been pulled for when I get, you know, the parts I need. I can finish it up pretty quick. Hi. Hi.